Borderless House is designed for an elderly couple who value nature and family connection. To create a house or garden, traditional Chinese garden design principles are expanded upon to create an all-connected park-like home. The border and relationship between family members are designed so that each room has privacy and is separated from the rest. Yet, the spaces are all interconnected with each other and nature. These expansive spaces can host various gathering events while also serving as a place to take refuge among nature away from the bustling city life. The spatial arrangement of the borderless house is configured to suit the tropical climate. It avoids afternoon sunlight getting into the double-volume main living and dining area and allows multi-directional natural cross-ventilation, reducing the reliance on air conditioning. Maneuvering through the inner space surrounded by lush landscape with multiple choices of entry and exit is like meandering through a garden. Borderless House challenges the disconnect in today's world, offering a boundless, interconnected experience that questions traditional building typologies. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.